Gull mask teardown. First, remove the mask strap to begin the teardown process. You will require a flathead screwdriver for this procedure, so pause the video now and go ahead and grab one. Welcome back! Don't worry if your exact mask isn't shown. The procedure will be identical for Gull Luvos, Vader, and Vader Fanette. Let's begin by separating the upper and lower frame. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry apart the upper and lower frame on both sides. Once separated, you can easily remove the frame by hand from the mask. To remove the lens, carefully detach the lens from the silicone skirt off the mask. This completes the disassembly process. Gull mask assembly. To reassemble the mask, start by aligning the marking points on the lens with the corresponding marks on the silicone skirt. This ensures a perfect fit. Gently insert the lens back into the silicone skirt, making sure all marking points are properly aligned. You can then attach the lower frame, followed by the upper frame. Ensure that both frames are securely in place. Finally, push both frames into each other, starting from one side, then moving to the other, until they are firmly connected. And that's it. You've successfully completed the mask teardown and assembly.